Hello students, welcome to our English class. Let us continue the lesson. Last period I have taught the second voyage. Now let us move toward the next part. After a while I came to what seemed like a huge white dome or ball. When Baghdad he set off his journey across the island, after a while I came to what seemed like a huge. He reached Where he reached, it seemed like a huge white or ball, dome or ball. He saw there a white ball. It's shaped like a ball, like this. White dome. It's totally white. This dome or ball, it's look like a white. It was smooth to the touch. It was so smooth to touch this ball. It is the shape of a ball. It was so high that I could not see the top of it. And the man was here. Baghdad was here. He could not see. Baghdad was here. He could not see his top of the ball. And it was more than 50 paces around. And it was, how much it is? Around 50 paces. This ball is around its space 50 paces. Suddenly the sky above me became dark, as if a huge cloud was covering it. Suddenly what happened? The sky became dark because of a huge cloud was covering it. It means this ball was covering with huge cloud. Here someone is coming. It's look like a huge cloud was there. That's why the sky become dark. This place become dark. When this ball was there, I saw the shadow of a huge bird. And Baghdad saw the shadow. Shadow? It's a big. It's look like a dark. That place look like dark of a huge bird flying towards me. And who came there? The bird was huge. Bird was came there. That's why it's become dark. I had often heard sailors talk of mysterious and wonderful bird. I had often heard sailors talk of. And Baghdad is telling he had heard the sailors' stories, which of the birds mysterious stories, and these stories are really wonderful, called rock. That bird rock, it is the huge bird. Its name is rock. It's called rock. It's found in Middle East. So this bird is famous for the mysterious story. This must be one. And Baghdad is telling this rock is the that one is that one, the bird is must be one. I thought, and this huge dome must be its eggs. And I thought, Baghdad thought, and this huge dome must be its eggs. Baghdad was telling that eggs, it must be that rock birds. It must be the rock birds' eggs. The bird came nearer and finally sat on its eggs. The bird came nearer and finally sat on its eggs. And the bird was coming and sat on the eggs. Who came there? A bird. A huge bird came there and sat on the eggs. Okay? I hope you can understand. Let us move. Finally sat on its eggs. I crept close to the eggs. I crept. Crept means I walked slowly close to the eggs. I hear Baghdad walked slowly to the eggs. Near me I saw one of the bird's legs. And he saw one of the bird's legs. It was too huge, like a tree. which was as big as a tree. The legs look like as big as a tree. I decided to tie myself to the legs with my turban so that when it flew away from the island, it would carry me with it. So the Baghdad tied himself with his turban to the bird's legs, and so that he can flew with the birds. He can flew away from the island. He has to leave this island. It would carry me with it, and it means the bird would carry himself with him, with itself. At first light, the bird took off and up so high that the island was soon out of sight. Then she came down again so fast that I lost my senses. When I found myself on the ground, I quickly untied the turban just as the bird caught up a snake with her beak and flew away. And at first flight, the bird took off. Took off means flew away very far and went went up high, so high that the island was soon out of sight. The island could not see the island could not see this island because the bird flew far away. It is out of sight. Then she came down again so fast. Then again the eagle came down so fast that I lost my senses. Who lost senses? Baghdad was lost his senses because of he come fast on the ground. When I found myself on the ground, I quickly untied the turban just as the bird caught up a snake with her beak. And when I found myself on the ground, when the Baghdad found he was come down on the ground, Baghdad quickly untied the turban. He untied his turban, he made free himself from his turban just as the bird caught up. Means the bird was caught up a snake with her beak. Meanwhile, the Baghdad was make free himself with his turban just as he packed to himself to its legs and flew away. Who flew away? A bird flew away. Let us move. I found myself surrounded on all sides by great mountains that reach high above the clouds. The sides of the valley looked so steep that there was no possibility of climbing them. At first, I thought I had gained nothing by my flight, but when I began to explore the valley, I found that there were huge diamonds just lying on the ground. When the Baghdad reached on this place, he saw all sides were great mountains. It was too huge, reach high above the clouds. The mountains was too high, it touched to the clouds. The sides of the valley looked so steep. Sides of the valley look so steep, hard, it's too high that there was no possibility of climbing. Nobody can climb to these mountains. So it was because of it's too high, high above the clouds. At first, I thought I had gained nothing by my flight, but when I began to explore, and Baghdad was thought himself, I didn't gain, I did not find, I did not explore anything. It was in vain. It was in vain my flight. I began to explore the valley. I began to search the valley. I found there were huge diamonds. When he explored, when he searched, he found huge diamonds. Huge diamonds just lying on the ground. I could not believe the riches lying about me. But when I saw something that frightened me, I could not believe I will become rich. Lying about me, I could not believe I will become rich. But sometime he saw, after some time, he getting frightened. All along the slopes of the valley there were huge serpents. All along the slopes, mountain slope, there were huge serpents, huge snakes. Some of them big enough to swallow an elephant. Swallow means eat, as big as elephant. The serpent, the snake was swallow or eat to the elephant. It was that serpent was, it was too big. They came out of their dens at night, and the serpents came when they came out from the dens during the night time. During the day they hid themselves from the rock, and during the daytime they hid themselves from the rock. From the rock means they are saved themselves from rock bird. So they hide themselves during the daytime in the den.